Hey, it's Miss Alana here working on math, getting smarter and smarter every day, just like you. Today is Monday, September 25th, and my glasses are getting kind of blurry. All right, so make sure that you have your, I'm going to have to clean this in a minute. Make sure you have your sheet. That should be glued in your notebook, and this one should be cut and glued for Monday. Bam, right there. This is episode number 6 of this week's Next Level Extreme Expressions. Yeah! All right, moving on to number 6. Find all the videos that you need. No, why am I showing that to you yet? Already, nope. All right, right here, number 6, parentheses, 132 minus 117, close parentheses, times 10 to the third power minus 29. All right, now, before I get started on this, oh my gosh, I was making a lot of mistakes today. If you notice, there's my work. Don't freeze it yet. Don't freeze it yet. There's my work. Don't freeze it yet. Okay. There's like a lot of whiteout I had to do because I wrote the wrong problem down. Actually, I wrote part of number 6 and then I put some of number 8 on there. So it's like I was writing all kinds of wrong numbers for the problem. Raise your hand if sometimes you just write the problem wrong. Maybe sometimes you write number 8 for number 4. Raise your hand if sometimes you write Wednesday for Tuesdays. Oh my gosh. Raise your hand if sometimes you write the wrong number. All right, so that is okay because I just made that mistake too. But this is why you need to make sure that you double check. And when I was like, what? I wrote the wrong thing down. So I was able to go back and fix it before I made this video for you today. So these videos should be good. They should be correct. All right. If I'm making any mistakes, let me know always in the comments below. All right. So what is the first thing we need to do? Bam. There's the work. First, we need to do within the parentheses. Can you see me? Hello. 132 minus 17 right here. And I cannot subtract, so I need to regroup and borrow from that 3. The 3 becomes a 2, and that 2 becomes a 12. Some of you are not showing your regrouping. That is not subtracting correctly, so make sure that you do. And so 12 minus 7 is 5. You can count up from 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's how you do that. And then 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. All right, so there's the 15. I bring everything down times 10 to the third minus 29. See, if you look right here, I put divided by 5 because I was writing that from problem 8. It's so weird. All right, but I'm glad I saw where I messed up. Now, the next thing I need to do is that exponent 10 to the third. And we know 10 to the third is 1,000 because you do what? Add your 3 zeros. 10 times 10 and 10. 10 times 10 times 10. 1,000. And then now we multiply that 15 times 1,000, which I showed my work here. But maybe you already know. Raise your hand if you know that. You just write that 15 and then add the 3 zeros. So easy. Such an easy shortcut. Bam, right there. And next thing you know, subtract 29. See, look. Do you see where I messed up right there? It's because I was dividing by 5. And I was like, hold on. Because I made these problems the other day. And I was like, this doesn't remind me of the problems that I made. Because I'm kind of familiar with the problems that I give you all. And I was like, something's not right. And that's how I figured it out. All right, so when I'm subtracting, it needs to borrow. That 0 needs to borrow from the 5. The 5 becomes a 4. That becomes a 10, which then becomes a 9. That becomes a 10. That becomes a 9. That becomes a 10. And then it stays a 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 0 is 9. 4, 4, 1. And then I added 14,971 plus 29 to get my answer 15. Bam. Right there. Done with number 6. Thumbs up if you were able to do that on your own. Yes. Thumbs up if you were able to do it with me. Yes. Super, super easy. I told you all it was next level, but it's so easy anyway. We are almost finished for the day. Make sure you find all the episodes that you need for today. Keep working hard. Keep practicing. Practice, practice. Get smarter, smarter. Until the next episode. Till I see you next time. I love you all.